In June 2025, Saudi Arabia launched its national data center strategy, targeting 1.5 gigawatts of capacity by 2030. For a major Saudi telecom provider, this meant they needed a solution, quick to deploy, easy to scale, with maximum energy efficiency.
By choosing a prefabricated modular data center, we deliver faster than conventional builds. And with Delta Electronics as our trusted partner, we bring the technology and production strengths to meet the client demands for speed, reliability, and sustainability.
In the data center industry, you need to think and plan ahead to be able to fulfill the huge demand for data and digitalization. Through modular design, we can enable our clients to start with a 6-module data center. They can easily add a second data center on the same site as demand grows. Each unit can evolve independently and later expand vertically into a 2 full-story structure. And if the land lease changes, our modules can easily be relocated.
At Delta's production facility in Europe, each module is designed and engineered, then pre-fitted with UPS, PDUs and batteries from Delta Electronics.
In Dammam, our main challenges include very high temperature, often above 40 degrees, dust and seasonal humidity. That's why a contained cold aisle is essential, safeguarding continuous operation in harsh conditions.
In the final stage, the data center is validated and approved before being shipped to Dammam. In Dammam, the groundwork has already been completed by IPT PowerTech. Now all that remains is to lift the 6 modules into place, lock them together, and connect the power.
At IPT PowerTech, we deliver complete, on-ground, end-to-end data center solutions, from consultancy and site preparation to installation, management, and maintenance, so that your data center is always running efficiently with a reduced carbon footprint.
IPT PowerTech and Delta Electronics share a long-term vision of excellence and resilience, delivering advanced data center and telecom solutions across the Middle East and Africa. They are a vital part of Saudi Arabia's journey toward a more sustainable digital future, with AI and cloud services driving the nation's next wave of growth.